Hello guys, it's Obi and thank you for tuning in. This video you guys are about to see was filmed a few months ago and I didn't know at the moment I was going to try YouTube to the magnitude I'm attempting to grow my channel and really trying to do this and figuring this all out. So excuse the small little clips. The past videos that you guys are seeing are just like random like inspirational moments I got to like record throughout the day to eventually conceptualize it into a video. So excuse the, I wouldn't want to say that it's dirty, but I'm definitely downloading videos from my Canon onto my phone and editing from there. So like it's not very thought out, it's not very how would I say, it's not very, there's not a lot of material I'm working with, you know, because I didn't know I wanted to do this. So hopefully in my next video we want to go see the cherry blossoms, so that would require us to wake up uber early and figuring out where we want to park, maybe metro into DC, see the sunrise there, and you know, get a nice little cherry blossom vlog going on. So stay tuned for that. That's not for starting yet, so don't quote me. I would like that to be done, but regardless, I'm going to try to like really get this going, really be more intentional with my videography, trying to figure out like clips. I might get a drone. I'm gonna need to get a mic for this camera because the mic on this camera is not that bad. So I just need to like really pick what I really need to work on and figuring it out. So bear with me. Do me a favor, help me get to 10 likes in this video by the end of this week. So the algorithm, I don't know how this YouTube stuff works. So I'll figure it out as it goes. So just be supportive, share my vlog, like my vlog, comment if you want to. I love you guys. Enjoy the video. Bye. We came to Maryland to come buy some, God knows what. We're going to like a farm, I think. I had to wake up at 6 in the morning. Say cheese. Let me see. Hi. Grabame. Se me ve bien.
Sí, pero bien, pendejo.
No, te digo en serio, me lo compro.
Ah, no te queda, no queda muy, no good.
No good.
No.
No me gustan de por sí, de todos modos.
Ahí viajando. ¿Cree que resiste un presión de la llanta? Jalarlo del portacecho, jalarlo de la cola.
No le quería tomar foto, yo acabo de hijo de puta, pero no se mira.
Si tú no me una foto a mí, pues. Ya te dije que está la yegua, pero no tomar foto.
Con esta perra de frío ya. Aquí va uno.
Ahí no va a ver. Ey, 2. Ey.
On. Maybe if I do a manual. Oh, come on, focus.
Si vos querés, yo ya sé por qué vos lo querés, vos para sacar jolote, para limpiarte los
Bolote.
los cablitos chiquititos.
Ahí le van a dar patas de gato para vender la carne. Pobre animalito.
That would oh my goodness. What the? That would that would require us to wake up early. Let me just reattempt this because that was embarrassing.